So I got some comment that I should use art material or aso-oke to tie all the simple styles that I've been trying. So I decided to lay my hands on one today. So this is my aso-oke. We can imagine how thick aso-oke used to be. So this is a very thick art material. So the first thing I first do is just to divide it into two equal parts. Then I begin to pleat everything down like this. So after I'm done pleating everything down, I need an elastic band to secure the pleated part. So I have the band and I'm securing it now. So I'll make sure that I secure it very well. It is very tight. So I'll split it into two like this, and it is time to place on my head. Then I'll fold some part in at the front. What I do to right, I'll do to left. So I'll take everything back. You can see the way I place this. I just place it sideways. I didn't really put it at the center before taking to the back. So one part is a bit longer. So I roll the longer part first and dip it in the elastic band that I have at the front. So I'll pull it out and adjust where I need to adjust. So I'll go to the back, pick the remaining one, twist it as well. There will also be a band at the back where I'll be securing it into. So I'm securing now. Then once I'm done there, I'll go back to front. This part that appear at the front, I'm going to stretch it out. Okay, it is easy to stretch out because we use a band. So I'll stretch it out to form a circle, use my office pin to secure. I'll pick the fan pleated and that shape at the front together and secure it with another office pin. So I have them together like this. So what I have left is this one edge down here. So I'll straighten it up, adjust it well, and I'll be securing it together with the pleated part sideways with another office pin. So take your time to secure and feel it is well secured before you move your hand. Okay, remember we have these parts open here or scattered, so we're going to arrange it and secure as well. So this is the final outlook, but I'll not go without looking at what can still beautify my head wrap. So I like it like this already, it is given. So I'm going to add my brunch to it to give it to take it to another level of beauty, and I did. So here is it, guys. See you.